Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into a common headache for Canon printer users: error code 201. If you've ever seen this error pop up on your screen, you're not alone. It's one of the most reported issues in 2025. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your printer up and running in no time. First off, what exactly is error code 201? This code typically indicates a problem with the printer's internal hardware or communication. It often points to issues like a paper jam, a faulty ink cartridge, or even a glitch in the printer's firmware. Don't worry, it's usually fixable with some simple troubleshooting. Now, let's talk about the common causes. Error code 201 can be triggered by a few things. One major culprit is a paper jam. Maybe a sheet got stuck inside without you noticing. Another possibility is a problem with the ink cartridges, such as them not being properly seated or running low on ink. Additionally, outdated drivers or a loose connection between the printer and your computer could be the root cause. In some cases, it's due to overheating or a minor electrical fault. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start by turning off your printer and unplugging it from the power source. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset often clears minor glitches. Next, check for any paper jams. Open the printer carefully, remove any stuck paper, and make sure the paper tray is loaded correctly. If that's not the issue, inspect your ink cartridges. Remove them, clean the contacts gently with a soft cloth, and reinsert them securely. If the error persists, update your printer drivers. Head to the Canon website, download the latest drivers for your model, and install them on your computer. You might also want to run a diagnostic tool if your printer has one built in. For more stubborn problems, consider resetting the printer to factory settings, but remember to back up any custom settings first. There you have it. Simple steps to banish error code 201 for good. If you follow these tips, your Canon printer should be printing smoothly again. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.